Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread outdoors. First, gather your simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. You'll also need a reliable outdoor heat source, like a campfire with coals or a preheated Dutch oven. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for mixing. Having everything prepared makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Combine your dry ingredients, then gradually add water until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto your prepared surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic texture. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. After its first rise, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, carefully shape it into your preferred loaf. You can make a round boule or an oblong batard. Place the shaped dough on parchment paper or in a floured basket for its second rise or proofing, which takes about 30 to 60 minutes. While it proofs, preheat your Dutch oven or baking surface to a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time for the magic. Carefully transfer your proof dough into the preheated Dutch oven or onto your hot baking surface. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Once baked, remove the bread and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for the texture and flavor. Enjoy your delicious homemade outdoor bread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.